For research purposes, Discord is testing a slew of new innovative features with its larger servers in hopes of improving user communication. A forum-like channel, a homepage for popular topics, and new automation tools for moderators to keep communities secure are among the new features. Are you looking forward to Discord's new features? Then let's explore deeper. Hi, how are you? We hope you're having a great day. This is the one and only Tech Factuala, reminding you to stay techie. In this channel, we bring you thrilling and informative news about the world of technology. We update you with the world's electronics, tech advancements, and more. So, stay tuned! In this video, we will be talking about the new features that Discord offers. Before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. It would also be helpful if you gave this video a like and shared it with your friends. This week, Discord will begin testing several new features in some of its largest communities. The social audio and chat platform began as a space that connected gamers online. It has since evolved into one of the most popular platforms, allowing users to create a thriving online community, complete with custom emojis, live events, topic channels, and a slew of third-party plugins that can do just about anything. The organization worries that they might have bit off more than they can chew as the number of servers continue to grow. Hundreds of thousands of individuals can be found online at any given time in some of Discord's most popular groups, such as the official server for the hit Chinese RPG Genshin Impact, which had over 300,000 users at the time of recording this video, and that's just one example. For those unfamiliar with Discord, it is a server that functions similarly to a real-time subreddit. However, instead of people dipping in and out of the conversation, a large number of people continue chatting live at the same time. It also includes free VoIP or voice over IP, text, and video chat services along with unique gaming features such as Twitch integration. This platform is even a requirement for conducting business in the gambling industry. Long term, it could provide a competitive advantage in customer communications for other businesses as well. Discord is a free communication program similar to popular apps like Skype, Microsoft Teams, and Slack. It offers easy-to-use text, audio, and video chat on public or private servers that anybody can participate in for free. Discord's user interface is most similar to Slack and Microsoft Teams. Discord servers have grown more as a result of user-generated content, similar to how Reddit subreddits have grown. So, there's a Discord server for almost anything. Discord, like Reddit, is an online community platform. Large business platforms, specialized learning hubs, extremist recruitment companies, and the porn industry all use Discord. The official Discord Parents Guide contains helpful tools for understanding how these communities operate and how to manage the information that goes in and out of your Discord. The Discord community guidelines state that the platform wants to bring gamers together and therefore expressly prohibits harassment, predatory behavior, and dangerous content. It also connects users with resources for information on bullying, suicide, and other concerns that affect today's digital communities. However, as with any internet platform, this doesn't always prevent adolescents from undoing settings or troublemakers from using social media to propagate hate and abuse. Although the new platform TeamSpeak might close the gap of competition by adopting and improving many of the same features that have allowed Discord to dominate, Discord still remains #1 due to its diverse integrations and services, a more user-friendly interface, and free servers. Most large servers have onboarding channels and topic-specific channels to guide users to relevant chats, but it's not a perfect solution at scale. Therefore, 3 experimental features will be tested on select large servers to make the platform run more smoothly. The server's first new feature involves a hub for more organized conversations. The idea is that anyone may jump into these channels asynchronously while not missing anything, just like on Reddit. It's also a method to resurrect past communication that's still relevant to keep users engaged in an ongoing conversation thread, allowing conversations to gradually evolve over time. In addition to forums, Discord will be experimenting with a new homepage-style feature that gathers hot topics, selects the most important information from these hot topics, and then provides TLDR-style snapshots. Many servers now use specialized news channels to recreate the same sort of snapshots, but these aren't as dynamic and generally don't offer much beyond significant announcements. Although the firm didn't go into detail, some of the most popular Discord mod bots automate the process of welcoming new users, monitoring for undesirable behavior, and even keeping an eye on rule violations. Me6, one of the most popular premium third-party Discord bots, is currently facing backlash. In November, Discord purchased SENTROPY, a firm that develops AI tools to detect hatred and harassment online. The purchase was intended to improve the company's in-house automated moderating skills. However, the company did not confirm whether the new testing features were a success or not. Before continuing with the discussion, what do you think about these new Discord features so far? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Overall, because the experimental features are only available through a restricted beta for the time being, Discord is enlisting the help of some of the larger servers to test it out. Because the firm is still evaluating how the new tools can fulfill the demands of different servers, not all experimental capabilities in the communities participating in the test are activated right away. Though the firm hasn't given any indication about what else it's working on, the current wave of experimental features could potentially be a taste of what's to come in the near future. Discord is among the world's most active online communities, and the firm is rapidly evolving its servers to make them more widely available as the platform continues to grow. Because of these new capabilities, Discord has evolved from a voice-over internet protocol platform to a social media platform. Discord is a chat program that offers users a variety of features such as text messaging, video streaming, video calling, and voice calling. Since its debut in 2012, the platform has come a long way. Previously, the platform was focused on users who played games. Now, it's focused on all users who communicate via the internet. As a result, Discord now has communities from every walk of life. Discord's user-friendliness is one of its strongest selling features. The platform provides customers with a user-friendly application that does not require technological expertise. New users are also given basic instructions on how to use the platform. Users from all over the world can utilize the platform because it does not require any technical knowledge. The platform also allows users to use its software in 29 languages, further enhancing its user-friendliness. Discord also has an advantage by not requiring users to pay to utilize its platform. As a result, practically all features can be used by anyone free of charge. However, some functions are only available to Discord Nitro users. These capabilities, however, are not required. Similarly, practically all platform services are unlimited, including voice and video calling and video streaming. There are no monthly limits or fees that customers must adhere to. Users can also alter the platform's appearance and other features based on their preference. Users can, for example, choose between a light and dark mode. Users can link personal bots or pre-made ones to their server to provide more functionality, such as playing YouTube music, receiving news, or connecting to game servers. Discord doesn't come without its downfalls. There are a few drawbacks that consumers encounter when using the platform. The most significant disadvantage of utilizing Discord is its terrible privacy and encryption issues. The application keeps track of what users are doing and displays this publicly. Users can choose whether or not the application displays such information, but they cannot completely disable the option. In addition, the platform does not provide the same level of encryption as some other platforms. As a result, Discord has had its share of privacy issues. Certain users have also challenged Discord's privacy policies. Discord, on the other hand, hasn't changed much. For certain users, privacy may be a significant disadvantage. Discord's call quality can occasionally be an issue. For example, some users have complained about calls dropping. In addition, just like every platform, technical issues sometimes arise. These issues tend to be more widespread on Discord. Some of Discord's competitors and other platforms provide far higher quality. As a result, users who rely on their calls' quality may be disappointed by the quality control on Discord. Discord is a web-based platform that provides users with various online chat tools. What do you think of Discord after watching this video? If you have any ideas or suggestions, don't hesitate to comment below. We always love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification bell to be updated on new videos. Again, this is the one and only Tech Factuala reminding you to stay techy. Thanks for watching!